Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You can't see me, but that's not who we're opening and reviewing today. We are going to be doing the Blade from AEW. I got him from Dirt Cheap, as you can tell by the sticker. Here's the rest of the people in his wave. I'm only interested in getting the bunny. But yes, we are going to unbox him right now and then review him. Here's what the packaging looks like without him. Here's his extra head. Gotta pop it out. His head. And then, oh, the man, his beanie comes off. This seems pretty cool. Okay, so his beanie or hat thing comes off, and so do the sunglasses. So you can have him with a mask, or like with his wrestling head. Does his jacket come off? Looks like it does come off. It's rubber though, so it's probably gonna be hard to put back on. Okay. Ooh. That was a little bit of a struggle, but it does come off. He has no tattoos, it seems, so no reason to leave the jacket off, so I'll probably put it back on when I'm done showing what he looks like. So this is what he looks like with the jacket off and the mask on. He looks like a bandit or some type of stripper. He has really good articulation and everywhere. So yeah, that's a thing. Let's see what he looks like with his other head. So this is him with his other head. And let's try the accessories. Kind of look like Sami Zayn right there. Oh no. Oh no. I'm flopping. No, I'm stopping. That's him with the sunglasses and hat on this head scan. I'm gonna put him the way that I want to. Keep him reviewable, and I'll be back to let you know my thoughts on this AEW figure. Oh, it says Blade on his pants too. That's cool. So his jacket weighs a lot, but this is how I'm gonna keep him. I'm too afraid of the sunglasses falling off, so I'm not going to keep him with the sunglasses. Side view, back view. And I rate this figure an 8 out of 10 for AEW because it does come with some good accessories. It comes with a whole nother head scan with a different look. You can take off the coat, and it's of good quality. I'm not even sure who this wrestler is. Like, it says the Blade, but I don't watch a lot of AEW for the men, so not really sure who this is, but I hope it looks like him. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that, and bye.